Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Maltego latest version on Kali Linux 2025.4 population. But by default we will get the Maltego. See, this is not the latest version, so I am going to install latest version. Open the default browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Maltego official website, it is maltego.com. Now hover mouse on. In this video I am going to download this Maltego graph. Okay, first we need to sign in. Click on this Maltego graph. See here, we don't have the option to download, but if you sign in, then we will be able to download. I have already created account. If you want, you can create account by clicking on this create ID. Okay, so I am going to provide my email that I have registered with Maltego. See, now we will be able to click on this download. Before it was not there. Click on this download button. Wait a moment. Now select the Debian package for the Kali Linux. So click on download. Under hardware requirements, see, you must have Java 8, 11, 17. Okay. By default we will get the Java with the Kali Linux. Java -- version. See, we have the Java. Okay, now select the Debian package and click on download. See, download started and its size is 213 megabytes. See, download completed. Go to terminal, then go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then Maltego. Press the tab to autofill entire file name. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing Maltego 4.11. See, we have successfully installed. Now open Maltego. Go to applications. Search for Maltego. Click on this Maltego application. See, we got the Maltego application and version of the Maltego is 4.11. Now we have to activate. You can activate by using license key if you have. Otherwise, go to select this Maltego ID and click on next. Now we have to select the activation method, online or offline. Online, select next. Now see, these are the general terms and conditions. Select the checkbox accept and click on next. Now login with Maltego ID. Click on browser login. Now we have to login. Provide the email or username that you have created while creating Maltego ID. Click on login to Maltego. See, authentication completed. Now go to this console. See, browser login was successful. Click on next. See, in the background it is loading. Okay, Maltego graph deactivation successful. Click on next. Now select the data sources, then click on next. Now it is downloading the data sources. It is completed. Click on next. Select the checkbox, then click on next. Now it is installing the data sources. It is completed. Next. You want to send error reports, select the checkbox, otherwise no. Select the default web browser from this list, otherwise it will select the default system browser. I'm okay with that one. Click on finish. Okay, close this one, close. Now click on new. See, here we have the entity palette and you can select the entity palette and you can provide all the information. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Maltego graph latest version 4.11.1 on Kali Linux 2025.4 population. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.